POCO F5 or Redmi Note 12 Turbo 5G POCO F5 device. OPPO Find XL, ColorOS review. This is typical home screen of ColorOS. You guys can see here. If you go into settings, about device, ColorOS 16.0.9 version for the POCO F5, ported ROM, 8 GB RAM. If you want, you can increase that. Not now. Okay, software version you can check out again. This is regarding the version, and this is typical settings screen. It's very smooth even in the home screen. As you can see, everything is very smooth. Just restarted. The camera application, what we can get here is HyperOS camera. You get all the necessary options here. And coming to dialer again, you also get that call recording features. As you can see, you can record all the calls or unknown calls. You can do it from here. This is regarding the quick settings panel. You guys can see here. You get all the necessary options here. You also get edit options and even settings. You can directly go from here. And customize quick settings, again you get a little bit of customization here. Coming to some results, what I got to see AnTuTu benchmark results. It's slow because we didn't get GPU, but you get the idea here and the version what I'm using. But in the Geekbench, you will get complete picture of the device here. As you can see, history 1105 single score and 4155 multi score Android 16 OPPO. This is the version of Geekbench I'm using. Very good scores, I can say. Since it's a ported ROM, you will not get a proper score, and this is also not certified. You can make it using kernel SU again. And this is regarding the DRM info. You guys manually, you can also check out how is the app opening time here. You'll get level 1 certified. No need to worry regarding that. Again, Dolby Atmos, which is working fine here. You can select these things. Whatever you want, you can do that from here again. It's very smooth. UI is very smooth. Categories wise, and if you press and hold here, you also get something wallpapers and style options, even style. You guys can see here system colors, icons. Again, if you want, you can do it. For example, if I go to Pebble, heart plus icons. Okay, now if I press on apply, it takes few seconds. And again, this is POCO F5 Redmi Note 12 Turbo, guys. It takes some time. Okay, that's done. This is the icons again. Very smooth UI. I haven't faced any issues. And this is the left panel what you can get here. Everything is very smooth, I can say here. I have shown everything here. Okay, CPU throttling test. I have took the screenshots. Let me go into files. Okay, here is that. You guys can see it's a 100 thread test, guys. And I got this score maximum is 383 and average is 293 and minimum is 251. Very good score, but it's 69% throttle is quite okay for 50 minutes. And again, battery charging like this is very fast. Again, this is the animation you get when you connect your charger, 33 or 67, whatever you want to use. Again, that's the thing, guys. Coming to settings again, home screen, lock screen, these are the customizations you get. Always on display is also there. Apply, let's see this how it looks, the always on display. Okay, the double tap is working fine here, and the face unlock is also Very good. Let me show you guys. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel. If you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. As you can see, this how always on display, working fine. Okay. Font selection also, you get all this necessary options here. Home screen settings, again you get all the necessary options. These things you will get it as a screenshots in the Telegram again. But this battery mode, again I have played blend of BGMA and all also. The gaming experience is also very good in this particular ROM, guys. I haven't faced any noticeable issues here. Everything is working fine. It's very smooth again. The user interface and everything is very smooth again. And you also get some of the system apps here. That's regarding this. You guys can see all the system apps are also working fine again. Let me go back to settings and into the display settings. Again, you also get something dark mode like this. Auto switch and dark mode settings you can enable from here again. Eye comfort is there. Font size, display size, again screen refresh rate also you can manually select it to high also, and app specific refresh rate also you can select here. That's very cool feature what I can say as of now. It's very good, guys, the ROM. And yeah, accessibility and convenience, you get all these options again. This is regarding this ColorOS 16.0.9 OPPO Find X Ultra ported ROM for POCO F, I guess. If you have any specific questions regarding this ROM, you can comment down in the comment section. Again, flashing method is very simple. Flash the orange fox recovery first and then flash this ROM and format the data and reboot the system. That's it. Very simple. I haven't faced any issues regarding flashing also. The user interface wise is very smooth. As you can see, this all the recent apps. You can definitely use it as a daily driver. This is ColorOS port for the POCO Fi 5G. If you have any specific questions, you can comment down in the comment section. We'll meet you with another interesting video, guys. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.